Hey everyone, we've tried to make your lives easier when purchasing this Lumien Tiki product, which is freaking awesome. So the top itself already comes with the RGB WW module. What it doesn't come with is a riser or the ground stake. Also, in order to control the module, you'll need the Lumien Pro remote, which I know many of you already have, so that's why we don't include it in the kit. So in this kit, it includes the top and module, which come together, the 48-inch quick connect riser, but you can also use different size risers too. So you can purchase all of these products separately if you wanted a different size riser. If you didn't want to use the ground stake, if you wanted to surface mount it, use a Lumien Quick Connect surface mount. So I've simply created a kit with the most popular setup, but here are links to all of the individual items if you guys want to go ahead and customize like we know we can with virtually all Lumien products. Hope that all helps. If you have a question, just talk to a boss today.